I'm here to talk about the theory of relativity, not so much what Einstein said, but in a cell formula. I'm in this red cell here. You have the file relativity. It says equal B1. What I'm going to do is to talk about copy and moving it, or I should say copying it. And I go over here, I drag it to the right. It's saying C1. It's copying what was in B1. That was the formula there. It will change the column from B to C. If I drag it down, it's going to say 0 because it's saying equal B2. There is nothing in there. I've got 4 tabs here. When you're going through this thing here, you're locking in cells. Depends on what you're doing. In this one here, we have $B1. It's referring always to here. I drag it to the right. It is still referring to B1. It will never change. That $sign has nothing to do with currency. It deals with anchoring. If I pull it down, it's going to say B1, $B1. I have it written in here. You've got the file you could download. I'm going to go into the next one here. B$1 locks in the row address. I'm in here. I pull it to the right. It's saying C$1. Sorry. What it is here, it only locked in the row, so you'll always have the row. If I drag this down, it will say B$1. We dragged it down. I drag it down several rows. It's always going to say B$1. If I drag this way over, you know what I'm saying. It will always say, I'll pull this box off. I go over here, I keep pulling it to the right. It's always referring to the row. You keep pressing the F4 key to do this. It's a 4-way toggle. So if I pull this over to here, it's saying $B1. I have always locked in the column, but not the row. So if I go down here, it's saying $B2. If you are doing a formula, which I'll show to you, I hit the F4 key, second time, it's a cell, it's a row, it's the column. On a Mac, you hold down it's Command T to do it, the letter T. You don't use the F4 key on the Mac. One thing I'll say in summary, try not to overanalyze this. You think it out too much, you get confused. Don't lock in things when you don't need to. In case you insert a row or a column in between stuff, it could mess things up even more. So just relax when you're doing it. The less I explain this, the better you do.